executive ownership is crucial. Okay, so it's very important, everybody, as we transition from identification of the opportunities uh, uh, to prepare for successful implementation. We also begin with the most critical factor, executive sponsorship, right? Agentic AI is not just another IT project. You need, strategic capability that touches the process, the people, and the system. So if there is no leadership buy-in, particularly from, business side executives, effort usually tend to stall, become isolated, or fail to scale, right? Let me share an example from earlier. Like Pets at Home, their success wasn't driven by tech alone. It was championed by senior leaders, including the chairman and the head of architecture. So the alignment enabled the fast experimentation, real resourcing, as the eventual rollout across the organization, right? So what's make a good sponsor? Someone with a good P&L, right? Profit loss or transformational ownership. Someone who can have a clear organizational, roadblocks. Someone who's personally invested in the outcome, right? And these are the considerations when you're going to be moving for an executive, basically a sponsorship. Foundational, which is data and infrastructure, right? Once you got the executive sponsorship, the next step to make sure data and infrastructure are ready to support the agentic systems.